Zaman suai patak ke usul the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Revenue Authority Public Relation Officer. Plus sara the USAID margarum dena manana ko. Pura the USAID kanjin munga manana ko jadi munda facilitation raku munga tasu da ida munga raku munga tasu USAID.
The day training maksad dari cita sudah rules, responsibilities, cikam dari withholding, the sales tax on services, the mechanism na, the laws, rules, dage na khabar she, che pade ke kam the payments kam move de. The statement jama kolo kam tarike kar de pasta se kam questions we kam queries we chimunga ga address ko.
My name is Fahim Khan and I'm working as a finance director in a youth teaching hospital. And I'm chartered professional accountant from Canada. The benefit of this training is that it gives you a practical approach, because when we are doing the invoices and the payment to the suppliers, we feel issues like how to deduct it, how much to deduct it, and how to pay it. So the benefit of this training session was useful, and credit goes to the USAID and the KPRA and the government of Pakistan, KP government especially. We have a practical session and credit goes to the trainer that he replied very well, because as I said, we faced some practical problem at the time of payment. We asked a question to the trainers and he replied properly. Provincial taxes and federal tax is two different things. So basically that's the basic source of revenue to the government, and that's how they develop their projects. I think it's a major chunk of the revenue of the governments come from the taxes. So basically it's a good step, and before I left Canada there was no provincial tax system, and now it's implemented in Canada. Although it's a start, but it's a very good start for the future of Pakistan.